In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your Microsoft Word document is free from any hidden data or sensitive information before sharing it with others. This is an important step, especially when your documents contain revisions, comments, or personal information that you wouldn't want to be inadvertently disclosed to recipients. So, let's dive in and see how easy this process can be. First things first, you'll want to open your document in Microsoft Word. It's always a smart idea to start by saving a backup copy of your document. This is essential because once you remove certain types of data, you can't get them back. Think of this backup as a safety net, ensuring you have a pristine copy of your original document just in case you need it later. Now, with your document open, head to the File tab in the top menu. From there, you'll see an option called Info. Click that, and then look for the section labeled Check for Issues. Within this section, select Inspect Document. This is where the magic happens. The Document Inspector dialog will appear, showing you a list of options to examine your document for various types of hidden content. You'll notice categories such as comments, revisions, versions, and annotations. These can include things like edits others have made or feedback they've left. There's also document properties and personal information, which might include the document's author name or dates that shouldn't be shared. Then there are headers, footers, and watermarks, which sometimes hold confidential information. And lastly, we have hidden text, which might have been used for various reasons during document preparation. Once you've selected all the categories you wish to inspect by ensuring their boxes are checked, go ahead and click Inspect. Word will take a few moments to scan your document and will then present you with the results. This shows you exactly what type of hidden content is embedded within your document. For each category where hidden content is found, you're given an option to remove all data. Simply click Remove All next to each category you're concerned about. This action makes sure that all unwanted revisions, personal details, or other sensitive information are completely eradicated from your document. After you've removed all the unnecessary content, you can close the Document Inspector. Don't forget to save your document at this point. This saves all the changes you've made and ensures that the cleaned version of your document is ready and safe to be shared with whoever needs to see it. And there you have it. Following these simple steps will help you maintain privacy and professionalism when distributing your Word documents. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in to our next video for more helpful tips and tricks.